Digestion begins in the mouth, where the teeth smash food, making it easier to swallow. Food travels to the oral cavity, where salivary glands deliver saliva through ducts. A ball of food, called a bolus, is pushed by the tongue into the pharynx. The pharynx opens up to both the esophagus and trachea. The top of the trachea moves up so that its opening, the glottis, is blocked by the epiglottis. The esophagus conducts food from the pharynx into the stomach by peristalsis. An enzyme called pepsin begins hydrolysis of proteins in the stomach. Pepsin is secreted in an inactive form called pepsinogen by chief cells in the gastric pits. Hydrochloric acid is secreted by parietal cells and converts pepsinogen to activate pepsin by exposing its active site. The activation of pepsinogen results in acid chyme. The opening of the stomach and the small intestine is the pyloric sphincter, which helps regulate the passage of chyme into the small intestine. The first 25 centimeters of the small intestine is called the duodenum, which helps regulate where chyme from the stomach mixes with digestive juices from the pancreas, liver, gallbladder, and gland cells and produces the enzyme enterokinase. Villi and microvilli increase the rate of nutrient absorption of food particles. Brush border cells make up the microvilli. Glycogen and fatty acids are absorbed by epithelial cells. Food travels to the large intestine, where a sphincter controls movement of material and connection of the small intestine and the large intestine. The small intestine and the large intestine reabsorb 90% of water that enters the alimentary canal. The feces are the waste of the digestive tract, which contain bacteria, cellulose, and other undigested materials. The feces travel through the rectum and is expelled through the anus.